at a new market. It's a brand new market that just opened not long ago. It's called SW1 Market, and it's right off of Sukhumvit Road, which you see right here, right behind me, and it's right between two train stations of the above ground station of the Skytrain. Asok is over here, and then going over there is the Nana station. So I'm gonna walk in and we're gonna check out the scene, and I'll probably get some good food and a couple of drinks along the way. Let's go. One thing I must point out, this is a brand new market, like I said, and this is on a piece of property that is vacant. And it used to be a building here, and they leveled it, and they turned this into a nice, night street food market. There are not hardly any of these type of markets around anywhere between this particular area around Sukhumvit, if you're over at the Asok or the Nana areas, and it's a good, a really perfect fit for have a street food market in a place like this. And I'm gonna check out some of the food that they may have, a couple of things probably, and I'm gonna enjoy my evening here at this particular place. Squids, the prawns, the fish, and some fried quail eggs. Right. And besides food, they have some clothing, jewelry, some accessories here. Jewelry here, accessories, clothing. Battery chargers for your phone. If you're out of batteries for your phone, you can get batteries here. And how about a license plate to take home for me to put in front of my car? But I don't have a front license plate holder. Yeah, I gotta look at this. This is something my nephew would like to have. I'm gonna get that one instead. I'm not gonna buy it tonight. Have you ever been shot by a gun before? I have. A one-pump baby gun. One pump. So if you have a passport holder, you can actually buy a passport holder. You get your name, your logo, and put your passport inside the passport holder. It'd be much more easier for you to find. And you can see here, it's a brand new flat top surface. So it's a brand new of everything of this particular market that sits on a small piece of parcel. And I think it's getting its highest and best use out. And if Thai food is not for you for this particular evening, they have pizza. And I feel like I'm in Mexico. Corona is here. Okay, so what I just obtained for this evening for dinner is a grilled fried rice. It looks good. It's got some beef. There's some beef in there. It looks really good. Just right, cooked right in front of me, right up the street, and I'm gonna get this enjoy. I tell you, the meal I had was pretty phenomenal. I enjoyed it. It was not pretty spicy, but it had a lot of flavor to it. And, it's kind of a unique market, being in between Nana and the Asok line of the BTS. And there aren't many markets in this particular area that has that. And you're sitting on a vacant land, and they apparently just decided, you know what, we're gonna develop this market, and I think it's pretty nice. It really is. I hope you enjoyed just a short version of this video of what the SW1 is like. I was pretty impressed. Yeah, I'm impressed of everything when you're starting out from fresh, brand new, right here at SW1.